Hey guys, this is G4G Network, and today we are going to set up the Arduino software for Windows. So let's get started. Just open up your browser and search for Arduino IDE. Just go to the official Arduino website. If here, just go to the download button. If you're working on Windows, you can download it from here and install it. If you are working on Mac OS, you can download it from here. If you are working on the Linux system, you can download it from here. Just click on the install, and just download it from here. It just asks to save. I had already downloaded, so I'm not going to waste the time. So let's try to install it. Just double click on it and then put I agree, then next, and install. As we know, Arduino is a open source hardware which is really easy to set up, use, and implement different kind of things, and we can use just a simple C logic in it. While working on Arduino, we are going to work with the Arduino board, breadboard, LEDs, motors, DC motors, registers, buzzer, and we will use the sensors in future videos. So I think it's done now. Just close it. You get the Arduino software shortcut here. Just open it. Let's take a look at the structure of the software. In file, you can create a new file, open. You can here see your recent projects. Here in example, you will get some example codes from the Arduino websites. Here you can put directly on it and implement it, and here you will copy the code from the Arduino websites and try to implement it. Here you can compile, in Sketch you can compile, upload, and program your Arduino board. In tools, you have to set up the particular board that you are using with this software. Here we are going to use the Arduino Uno, so we are putting Arduino Uno. In help, you will get all of this stuff about Arduino, and it's really good. And now let's try to implement our first project, or a first Arduino program. So first of all, what is Arduino? Arduino is an open source hardware platform. You can use it to code with a simple logic, and it's easy to set up, implement, and it's really good. Now let's do our first Android program, which is let's blink the LEDs on which are present on the Arduino board. So here basically all the LEDs are connected to the pin 13. So let's first of all we will set up the LED pin. So integer, it's a simple integer constant, LED pin 13. You have to put semicolon. Here are two methods in the software. First of all, void setup, to set up of all these things to run. It will just run once, and here we have to put comments, and here The second one is the loop, which will perform repeated operations of our code. So let's try to blink our LEDs. Let's initialize our digital pin. So we have to write pin mode. Here you have to pass two arguments. First one, the LED pin which we are going to use, and second one, for what purpose we are using it. We are using it for output purpose. If you are using a LDR, you have to use it for a input purpose, and it's great. And now let's get to the loop. Here we are going to turn our LEDs on means high and off means low. Both are one of the same. So let's try to looping things. To set the values to the digital pin, we have to write a digital write. In this we have to pass two arguments. Don't forget to write a semicolon after each sentence, or each line, at the end of each line. So here we have to pass two arguments, which is our LED pin first of all, and what operation we are doing on it. We are going to make it high for some time. So write delay for it. Here the ratio is of 1. In delay it accepts the arguments in the milliseconds. So we know that 1000 milliseconds equals to 1 second. So try to put 1000 if you want to increase the delay, or if you want to increase your blinking time of LED, you just put whatever you want here. And the second, we will try to off the LED. So digital write. So here first two arguments, LED pin, and second one we're going to make low, and write a delay. We will off it for 1 second. As if this ends here, the loop goes again up and execute our set statements repeatedly. Now let's see the setup of our hardware. Okay, now we will see how to run our project. So first of all, save the project or program. Let's try to save our trial LED blink. Save the project. Now just verify it. Let's compile it, and wow, it's compiled successfully. There's no error. Just every time check your serial ports, which we'll see. Now let's go to the hardware. This is our Arduino Uno that we discussed in the previous tutorial. Now I'm gonna connecting the USB port to the programmer and our Uno, and the USB cable to my PC. It's connected. Now in tools, check the port. Oh wow, it's connected. Now verify it again and upload the project. It's uploading, as you can see, our LED blinks after each 1 second, on and off for a 1 second. So congratulations guys, we have completed our first Arduino project for blink the LEDs. Now in next tutorial we will see the next part of the Arduino programming. If you like the video, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.